exciting, as you can tell by the title, because today I'm going to show you my everyday makeup tutorial. It's not basically like every day. I don't put on makeup every day. I usually like weekly or like frequently, as you can tell. If you know me, then only you can tell, of course, duh. So this is the makeup which I usually do, not on the everyday basis. It is just the theme of the video. That's why I hope you're gonna like it in some way. It's pretty easy. Anyone can do it if I can do it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So okay everyone, so this is how my natural face looks like. I hope you have seen it before than this video, but whatever. If you haven't seen my like natural face, this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna tie off my hair at the back side with this cute fluffy rubber band. So okay, so very important, I'm using this Sheernage moisturizer. It's like my all-time favorite moisturizer. I used it the most. I've not tried any other moisturizer. If you have any other recommendation, just leave a comment down below. After I'm done applying my moisturizer all over my neck and on my face, next I apply this primer. This is the POREfessional one, and I have the mini size one because I just ordered it to try it and I just fell in love with it, and now I have a full size of it as well, but first I have to finish this one. And if you're wondering why I use the primer, it's nothing of that sort that I have pores or anything. Yeah, I don't have any pores. I just apply primer to give it a smooth base. Next, I use this foundation from Milani Conceal Plus Perfect, and I'm in the shade Sand Beige 06. This is how it looks like. So I'm gonna I don't apply a lot of like foundation. I just take a pea size amount, like more than a pea size, but yeah, this much, and then I just put that at the back of my hands. Now I use this pack sponges, which I got two in a pack, so they're pretty cool, but I'm using this one, the teardrop shaped one, and then I just take the like sponge and apply a little foundation and just start applying that on my skin and blending that very well. After blending my foundation, I use this concealer from Maybelline, and this is how it looks like. It's the Fit Me one. Blending my concealer in, I'm using this brush from Nykaa. It is a foundation brush, but I'm gonna use it as my powder brush. So I'm taking this Bharat and Dorris loose powder. It's a very affordable drugstore like loose powder. This is how it looks like. Then I'm just using the foundation brush, putting on some powder, tapping the extra off, and just putting on my under eye like this. And I'm doing this to just brighten my eyes and look like more awake. And yeah, I know I'm looking like a ghost, but we're gonna go with it. Let's go. And I've put it for a few minutes. After a few minutes, I'm gonna just dust it off. Now I'm taking this Wet n Wild powder brush, and I'm just taking a little bit of loose powder, tapping the extras off and putting on my neck to just like finish off and like smoothen out the base. I just love to, and adding a little bit on my face. Now I'm going gonna contour my face. For that, I'm using this Royal Dual bronzer and highlighter palette. It's actually broken, but we're gonna just go with it. And for this, I'm using again this Nykaa rose gold brush, which I'm absolutely love with. So I'm just taking a little bit of the powder. After putting on my bronzer, next I'm using this highlighter, the same, because it's very subtle and gives a little bit of shimmer and just a little bit of glow, because on daily basis you don't have to go all bam up or all jazzy kind of stuff, you know. For this, I'm using this Wet n Wild, this is an eyeshadow brush, but it's super long and it's pretty big for my eyelids, so I use it as applying my highlighter. So I'm just taking a little bit like this. After putting on my highlighter, I used this Coralista, I hope I'm pronouncing it right, from Benefit. It's a blush. I just loved it. The smell is like heaven, literally to die for, and the color is so pretty and natural. I just loved it. It came with this brush, so I'm gonna use it. And now for my eyes, I'm using the same Dio palette because I like to keep it natural. So I'm using the bronzer and the highlighter. That's it. For this, I'm using this Faces Canada, what you call this brush, angular brush or angle brush, whatever you're gonna call it. So I'm just taking a little bit on my hands, and I just came a little closer to the camera to show you how I just blend it. And you have to go very smoothly to your crease and to your inner corner. And now for my inner corners, I'm using this brush. I don't know where it's from, but I'm gonna apply some highlighter on it. Just a little, then gonna tap the extras off like this, and gonna go with my inner corner. And now to just blend the eyeshadow in, I'm using that circular brush and just gonna blend that in to give a supernatural kind of look. Now I'm just gonna apply a little eyeliner, so my complete lip eyeliner. I just know I'm not perfect at applying eyeliner. It's super messy. I didn't even do it correctly, but we're gonna go with it. Yeah, now I can do nothing with it, but just because it's super hard to apply eyeliner in the front of the camera, so that I did the mistake. But usually I'm pretty good at eyeliner, but whatever, this is how my eyeliner looks like, but we're gonna go with it. Just go with it. Now I'm applying this mascara. This is the Colorbar Zoom and Whoop mascara. It have two wands, a thinner one and a thicker one. So today I'm gonna use a thinner one as I don't want dramatic eyelashes. So yeah. give that awesome tint to your lips, I'm using this Posy tint from the Benefit. I just love to keep it natural and just super cute and pretty. That's why I'm using this Posy tint. So this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna come back with my hairs open, so wait for it. And sorry, I forget, the last thing that I use is this MAC Prep and Prime. I just loved it. It just make my makeup last longer and just refreshing my face as well. So it's super good. So I just loved it.
Gee, thanks. Just started. I see it. I like it.
So that is it for my everyday makeup. This is how I used to do my makeup, like on everyday basis, like on the days which I like to go and I like to keep it pretty natural. And this is the makeup which I do usually. And yeah, I don't put makeup on like every day. It's just like the theme of the video. So yeah, and I hope you like this video in some way. And as you can tell, you can wear this makeup on glasses as well, because I have my specs on. So it's usually I put on my glasses with this makeup on. So it's a good makeup tutorial for glasses girls as well. Not, and I will see you soon, guys. Bye bye.